Hey Jake, so yeah, I went back and took another look at your code after I got your message, and I see what you mean that you really have a huge list of rooms as it is, and if you were going to push everything into the set exit, it would just blow things way up. Um, the problem is that the that set exit and get exit stuff is really a requirement um, for the assignment, and basically because um, it's a lesson in flexibility, in making things more flexible, but it also is going to help later on in future exercises. So what I did was, though, actually it motivated me to take another look at situations like yours and see how to make a transition like the one you need more cleanly. So what I did was I actually built a parser to parse out all those set exit and get exit commands that you have and put them the way they should be. But as I said, it gets so big. What I decided, the best way to implement this, and I'm going to send you this room builder class because you put so much work into building this, and it's kind of a crazy amount of work to ask you to reset all these things. So what I did was I created this room builder object, okay, and this is a common pattern in programming. The builder pattern, and actually in general the builder pattern is used for building like complex objects, and this is kind of like a complex bunch of objects, but the end result is that we pass off the entrance, which is the starting room that leads to all the other rooms. So basically all I did was I made all your rooms into private fields here in Room Builder, and called a create room, and then I just separated out the different quadrants so that they're doing all the set exit stuff that they should be doing, but they're separated out. You could even separate out, creating the rooms and setting the exits. But, I just thought this is at least is better than, having all this junk in your game class. And then what you can do in your game class, which I'm not going to send you, but I'm giving you the directions on how to do this here. And then if you still need help, I'll send me another email. But you'll have add a room builder object to your game class and create that in your constructor, and then you just set the current room to roombuilder.createRooms, because what room builder does is when you call create rooms here in room builder, actually, you know what, yeah, I'm going to take this out. You don't need that. Because you're going to call create rooms from the game class. So when you call create rooms, it will create all the rooms, and then it will return the entrance. So you can so you'll set your current room to the entrance just like you did before. And then everything should be cool. But then what you will need to do then is go ahead and make the changes to set exit. So you'll do away with the set exits and instead use the set exit that they showed you in the book, and the get exit. The get exit, actually, you could have changed this one already because it's just getting from the exits hash map. So that really like I said, you could do this change before you do anything else, and that'll work. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm going to do that, and like I said, to help you out. And once you have that done, then we'll push on to the next problems.